In this presentation we are going to give you a brief overview of Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is a combination of two powerful and proven process improvement methods, Lean Manufacturing and Six Sigma. It combines problem-solving tools with process improvement tools. This graphic suggests the tools have been traditionally used for cycle time reduction, Lean, and for variance reduction, quality improvement, Six Sigma, and which ones are common to both. In Lean, it's important to focus on what is of value to the customer. We need to separate what adds value and does not add value to the product or service the customer is buying, and eliminate what does not add value. This cycle is one of continuous improvement. So what does value mean to you? In this example, which would be the better airline ticket for you to purchase? Well, only you can say which is better. We need to do the same for our customers and focus on what is of value to them. And there's more to value than just cost, and the customer will define this for you through the voice of the customer process. Value is expressed in terms of a specific product, function or capability. So we must separate non-value added from value added. Value added work in its simplest form is activity that the customer is willing to pay for. Non-value added work is activity the customer is not willing to pay for. Here are the wastes that customers are simply not willing to pay for. I'm sure many of these are very familiar to you. Unfortunately, value-added time is typically only a small percentage of the total time in producing a product or delivering a service. This is why it's so important to reduce or eliminate non-value-added work as much as possible. Having reduced or eliminated waste as much as possible with a lean approach, the next step is to reduce variability in those processes that add value. This is the Six Sigma philosophy, to reduce variation. Six Sigma is an indicator of a process variability performance and is a goal to be achieved. Six Sigma's goals are basically to reduce defects, reduce variability, improve yield, and ultimately improve customer satisfaction. When we talk about Six Sigma, what do we actually mean? Well, sigma is used to represent standard deviation, a measure of variation of a population. The term Six Sigma process comes from the notion that if one has 6 standard deviations between the mean, which is the centre of a process, and the nearest specification limit, there will be practically no items that fail to meet the specifications. This is the basis of the process capability study. The term Six Sigma has its roots in this tool. We need to identify the critical inputs and control them for a process. Problems are caused by X's. Focus on the causes of those X's. We all tend to concentrate on taking corrective action that we know how to take, not necessarily concentrating on the problems that we should correct and the actions needed to correct them.